Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another interesting video. So in today's video I will be showing you how to make this mouth-watering egg sauce for boiled yam and any other thing you feel like to pair the sauce with. So egg sauce and boiled yam is one of the regular and popular food eaten in every Nigerian home. Yes, most families treat these meals as a special meal course. You know how rice is a compulsory in every Nigerian home? Like every Sunday, festive period, this is how most family treat this delicacy. So without wasting much of your time, let me take you through step by step on how to make this nutritious and a healthy meal. This meal can be eaten as a breakfast, lunch, or even dinner. It takes from 20 minutes to 30 minutes to prepare this filling and nutritious delicacy. So get your ingredients, let's get to the kitchen and make this mouth-watering dish. First thing I do before cooking the egg sauce is to peel, slice, wash and start cooking the yam that will be paired with the sauce. You can choose to pair the sauce with boiled or fried plantain, boiled potatoes, rice or some other stuff that pairs well with the sauce. But for this recipe, I am cooking one large yam to pair with the sauce. So after slicing the yam into sizes and desired shape that I want, I wash the yam, add water, boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. So always remember to add salt while cooking the yam for a good taste. Once the yam is fully cooked and tender, I filter the water and set the boiled yam aside, then proceed to cook the egg sauce. So in order to prepare this meal, I have prepped all the ingredients needed for the cooking. On here I have my diced tomatoes, the diced pepper, I have sliced onion, my vegetables, vegetable oil, and also I am using 7 eggs for the sauce. Feel free to use any amount of eggs, but make sure the tomatoes you are using is the right proportion with the egg. If not, you won't be getting the best result from this egg sauce. So in a clean pan, I will start off by pouring in the vegetable oil into the heated pan. Once the oil is heated a bit, I will add the diced onion and saute until it's translucent. So next I will add in the diced tomatoes and slightly give it a stir. You don't have to stir this too much, just 2 to 3 stir is okay. Then cover and let the tomatoes cook so the tangy taste of the tomatoes can go away. While the tomatoes is cooking, I added in the fresh diced pepper. But remember, the pepper and tomatoes should be diced and not blended, because we are making egg sauce and not tomato stew. Then once that is done, I will give it a little stir, then cover the pot and continue cooking the tomato sauce. So now that the tomatoes have been cooking for about 5 to 6 minutes, I will quickly give it a stir, then proceed to add in the spice. For the spice, I'm using 3 nut cubes, curry powder, lasso chicken spice. This lasso is great for cooking any meat or chicken stock. Salt for taste, and quickly give it a very good stir. Always remember not to stir too much. So now that the spices and salt is well combined, I will cover the pot and let it simmer for a minute. Then with the help of a whisker, I will whisk the eggs until they are well combined. Once that is done, I will proceed to adding the raw eggs into the tomato sauce, but you have to pay very close attention at this point because it gets a little tricky here. So I have a little tricks for making the egg stew have larger chunks of eggs. So after pouring the eggs, cover the pot and wait a bit longer while the stove is turned off. Yes, you have to let this cool off a bit. Then this will allow the eggs to steam up and cake up with larger chunks of eggs. But if you stir immediately you pour the eggs, all the eggs will completely dissolve into the tomato sauce. So waiting just a little bit ensures that the eggs will give you a large lumps of egg after cooking. So at this point, the food is almost ready. So check for salt and seasoning, and also watch out to prevent the food from burning. So if you like eating your egg sauce this way without adding vegetable, you can go ahead and serve your egg sauce because it is super ready to be eaten with your paired yam. So for mine, I always like adding vegetables to mine, so that is why I am adding vegetable. Other than that, the food is super ready. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to give us a thumbs up, comment what you think about this video. Food is ready and I served it immediately. I do not waste any time after making this dish. So if you like this recipe, please do not forget to leave a like, give it a thumbs up and share to your friends and loved ones. Yes, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please, your baby girl is begging, please subscribe to my channel, turn up your post notifications so you get to see whenever I make interesting video like this. Okay, so I will be leaving you guys here at this point, but we'll be seeing you guys real soon on my next post. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next post. Bye bye.